wow, it went all wrong behind. What the hell happened there? Let's send it. Okay, come on, come on. We need that overspeed. Oh no. In this, look what's happening. Oh my. Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to a brand new video. And as you can see guys, we're back at iRacing, but today we're competing in the last round of the NXTGP iRacing Mazda MX5 Cup. We're here at Road Atlanta, which is a really cool circuit in my opinion. I love it. I've practiced here quite a while. And this is going to be the last episode of this league racing series. So if you have any suggestions for other league races for me to participate, and if you like this content of competitive league racing, let me know. For now, we're still in the practice session. I'm going to practice a little bit, and in a bit I'll see you straight into the qualifying session. See you there. All right guys, we're here lined up in pit lane. As you can see, practice is over and we're about to go for the qualifying session. And practice went quite well. I had P3 with slipstream, so it doesn't really say a lot. The times were really competitive when everyone practiced without slipstream, so I'm really curious about how it will be. But at this track, it's crucial to get a good slipstream because it can easily knock off like half a second to a second, which is a lot. So we don't want to be the first ones to go out because then we're giving away slipstream. So let's wait for some guys to go, like we're doing now. He can go in front of me as well. And yeah, then it's all about warming up the tires, following his group, and yeah, basically try to stay close to them for slipstream. So alright, so going on to the main straight, which is really long. Here's actually the place you win the most time. The cars in front of me are actually one of the faster drivers, so that's perfect if you can stay behind those guys. Yeah, tires are still cold, no worries. Oh no, I was really slow to there. I had a feeling I went way too slow into that corner, but yeah, no worries. Yeah, this is not ideal. Gotta be extremely careful here. Okay, much better, no off track. He's letting us go. Okay guys, I think this was going to be a good lap. So now it's crucial to have a good last chicane, because if we lose our slipstream, then our qualifying is over. Because then we're cooked. Yeah, perfect. Okay, nice guys. Oh, I don't know what's going on here.
Right side.
Okay, let's try to follow this red car around. We're now P4. P4 is actually good. Maybe we can even get a top 3 if we're... Oh, it's over. It's over. Yeah, I pushed too much. My entry wasn't good there. Alright guys, this is going to be interesting because all these drivers are really close to each other. So that's interesting, but you can see like the top 2 guys, for example here, Bas Straten and Gian Zoutwelle, they have 3k iRating, so they're 1000 iRating higher than us. So it makes sense that they're better, but I think the field is really competitive. It's quite a small grid with 10 cars, but it's really nice. I love the racing here. Let's go guys. Come on, lock in, lock in. Oh, someone's going up and I got a really nice gap now. Oh my. Wow, okay, we survived. That was really scary. It's going to be so chaotic. I wonder if someone will go full send here in the chicane. Yeah, they will, so let's be sharp here. Oh man. I got scared by Yuri, he brakes so early. Yeah, good defense from the guy in front. I knew he will brake late and he had slipstream from the other guys, and I didn't want to take that much risk because the race is still early and we'll get a lot of opportunity with slipstream to attack, so I think it was wise to back out there.
to the right. Still there. Clear.
Okay, wow, a lot happening. It's not ideal because we're losing the connection to the guys up front there. And now I'm cooked because he has slipstream and I almost have no slipstream at all, so...
Car right. Stay on the left. Still there, hold your line. Still there, hold your line. Clear on the right.
Nice defense. Rip our connection to the leading group, but I guess we gotta defend for our life for P5 now.
2, just left fastest lap. 35.834. Still there, hold your line.
That's a bit dirty, mate, but okay. Oh my god, he's braking early. I'm not going to attack the guy fronter because I still want to be able to catch the red car, so we gotta be really patient here. Is he going to attack? No, I think he'll tuck in behind. No, guys, I think we gotta overtake the yellow car soon, because we only have 4 minutes to go into this race. And as you can see, the timetable is almost a second behind. You saw he had a lot of laps of time to overtake and he didn't. And the gap is too big, so let's try this last 2 laps, guys, to overtake the yellow car. Nice close racing. He had a off track though. Okay, come on, come on. We need that overspeed.
Stay on the right. Still there, hold your line. Clear. Right side. Stay on the left.
Problemi. Oh no, shit, I don't know what happened there.
Car behind has gone off.
Rip. That's a shame, because it was a really entertaining battle. I was quite late with moving to the right there, when he had a better exit here on the main straight, so that's a shame, yeah. I don't know, Kaz, sorry man, I don't know. GG's, guys. GG's. I think it was a good race. It was a lot of spectacle and made some small mistakes. But it was nice. It was really enjoyable. It's only a shame that we couldn't catch up with the leading group. But we have a reverse grid for race number 2 of the top 10. So let's see. Let me watch back the replay with the driver behind me, because I want to know who was at fault. Well, he got a better exit. I tried to defend him off the inside. Yeah, he drove into me. Literally nothing I could do. I guess that's racing sometimes, guys. But without further ado, I think it was a really good race. In 3 minutes, we actually already have race number 2, which is a reverse grid. We finished P6, so we're starting P4. So that's gonna be nice, guys. I'll see you into race number 2. We're here lined up for race number 2.
Green, green, green.
Good start.
Right side. You're on the left. 3 wide. The next car's the leader. Right side. 2 wide. Clear. Car right.
Oh wow,
Clear on the right.
it went all wrong behind. What the hell happened there? I'm really happy we stayed out of trouble there. No idea what happened there, but rip to that, guys. Oh my god, these guys are so slow through here. The car behind me didn't expect it either, but of course these are the guys that are the slowest in the league, so I hope Cus goes for a center on the inside. Oh!
Left side.
Oh my...
Still there.
Oh my god. I almost took him out. Okay, this might end in tears. Let's watch out there.
Clear. Left side. Clear on the left. Right side.
I'm going to let him go,
Keep to the left.
because that's the championship leader and he's much faster than me.
Keep to the left.
I know it's a bit of a shame to just give up positions that easily, but
Clear.
in this, look what's happening. Oh,
Go right.
oh my. Oh, a heart attack episode 1 million on iRacing. My god. That's why I'm careful, because you know these things can happen. Oh. And we're still into it because the first guy is actually one of the slower guys from race 1, so which man. Oh wow, okay. Good morning. Crazy stuff. There's actually the driver in front of me says push, don't fight. I actually agree, because otherwise we're going to not be able to catch up to this group. But if he's still slow in the next lap, then I'm going to attack him, so it's up to him now. Okay, we gotta watch out because the guy in P2, Raymond Coy, is still one of the slower drivers. Actually doing pretty well for starting from the back to here now, I would say. So let's keep an eye on that. Ooh, this is scary. Yeah, we got to overtake. I got no choice.
Still there, hold your line. Still there. Clear.
Okay, nice overtake. I knew we had to stay on the outside there because it was going to be get quite crowded. I could see we overtook the car behind now, so that's good.
One, just set the fastest
Let's
lap.
watch out now because
0.225.
this guy has a back marker.
Left side.
Oh,
Clear.
mate, what the fuck? I think he wasn't paying attention because he should know by now. The guys in front are slower, so please take it careful, mate. I think we have to send it here, but I'm scared if we're going to hit Cas. So let's just try to outbrake him here.
Side. Still there, hold your line.
Oh,
Still there, hold your line. Clear.
okay, that's a bit of a shame. I couldn't really go deep because the other cars were there and I really had to avoid the accident. So he's really lucky with that, but we gotta overtake him because like the cars behind me are quite fast and I want to be able to pull away from them as fast as possible and let
Car in P.
them be stuck behind this guy. Oh shit.
0.91.
No, not here. We might be able to send it there. I don't really think that's a good idea. Okay guys, another try.
Left side. Stay on the right.
Oh no, he got slipstream and I don't.
Keep to the right. Still there, hold your line.
Let's see what's going to happen here.
Stay on the right. Clear.
Yeah, good defense from Raymond. Credits to him. All I gotta say, because yeah, I didn't want to take too much risk.
Succession.
Oh wow, he's defending. The guy behind tried to send it, but we're definitely not falling for that. Actually, the guy in P1 is driving really solid, and he was so lucky that I could just pull away at the beginning. Oh, that's crazy.
Left side. Stay
Oh.
on the right. You're on the right. 3 wide.
I wanted to make him go for it.
Car on your left. 2 wide. The leader is running 36.852. Still there. Just
Oh
keep
no,
the
mate, back out,
fastest
please.
lap. Hold your line. We are where we expected to be. Clear. 2 wide. You're in 4th position. Keep to the right. Clear.
Oh, GG's. That was actually crazy close. And GG's to all the guys there. We're driving so fair. I need new underwear. That was fucking scary. Before it is, guys. But the guy behind is the championship leader. And he has almost 1.5k iRating more. So I'm not going to fight him too hard. Come on. Let that substitution work. Let's go.
Right side.
Let's send it.
Still there. Keep to the left. Stay on the left. Clear on the right.
Yeah, nice, guys. I think it was fair. That was much better than race 1 with this guy. So GG's to him for that.
New fast flat for you. You're now in third.
Yeah, that was really stupid from him, because now he's going to be overtaken by 2 cars. I don't know what he tried to do there. Tried to make me scared or something. And we're actually closing into the guy in front, and guys behind are actually losing a lot of lap time, so let's keep this momentum, guys. We're actually driving pretty well. Okay, we gotta watch out for these mistakes, because now both the cars behind can catch up, and the driver in front can pull away, so... Oh! Whoa! Oh shit, rip Yuri. He made a mistake. Alright guys, P2, I'll gladly take it. Oh shit guys, we got a really bad exit there. For now I think he's too far away. Oh, he's definitely not. Okay, bring it on.
Car on your left. Stay on the right. Still there. Clear on the left.
Alright guys, great defense, lovely stuff. Nice, we had to defend really hard there. But it's definitely not over yet, so...
No!
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 I destroyed the car! No!
Let's keep continuing. Oh, I'm so dumb. Yeah, rip guys. Totally my own mistake, yeah. Oh, guys, I ruined one of my best races. Oh, no. And the car won't accelerate anymore. It's probably going to be a P7, no, P8. Rest in peace. Yeah, the car won't even turn. The car won't turn. Wow, the car's completely destroyed. I thought it was just a slight tap, but I think we're just going to finish the race. Oh, guys, it was such a shame. It is what it is, because we drove a really good race, but yeah. Whoa. Yeah, literally 0 turning to the left. Oh, fortunately, my car was cooked. Damn.
Solid work.
What? Nice run, solid work. Completely destroyed my car and threw away a podium. Yeah, thanks. But I admire the positivity. Okay, guys. If you made it to the end of this video, it's a shame that you end this way. But I think, yeah, I actually really enjoyed this race. Even though the crash, because it was just a lot of nice battles. A lot of fun. GG to the fair fights. Yeah, I think it was just a good league race. I finished P4 in the standings out of 30 drivers. But I gotta admit that out of the 30 drivers, not every driver competed in every round. But I think it's a really solid result. Especially since this is my first iRacing League competition. I'm happy. I think we learned a lot. That's the most important thing, and improved a lot. And if you want to see me do more iRacing League races, let me know in the comments. And if you have suggestions, feel free to let me know as well. Once again, guys, I appreciate you a lot, and thank you for watching it to all the end of the video if you stay till here. And hopefully I see you guys into the next video. Ciao.